Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Yes, so it is Thursday, and if you have been watching my videos before, Thursday is date night for me and Dada. And I can't believe it is Thursday again, guys. Time flies. Like, I am serious. It just feels like it was just yesterday when I vlogged that date night last week. That was last week, and it's crazy. I can't believe tomorrow is Friday and then weekend again, but that's how it works, right? What can you do about it? You just go with the flow. Yes, so I am here at Melbourne Central now. I just parked the car. I'm at the car park, so I'm going to meet Dada in Melbourne Central upstairs. So I am in P2, so I'm below. I think it was like, how do you call it, parking, underground parking, seriously. Yes, so if you were watching our video last week, our date night last week, we couldn't decide where to go. Well, I want to go to Korean place, and Daddy wants to go to the Lao place. So we had to do head or tails just to, make a decision where to go. But we made a pact that this week we're going to wherever I want to go. So I want to go to the Korean place at Chinatown. Yeah, that's right, guys, you heard it right. So there's a Korean restaurant in Chinatown, and because of the weather, it's so freaking cold, we are having some soup and some maybe barbecue. So come with us, guys. We'll see what we're gonna have tonight. I'll speak to you again soon. So I'm here now, guys, but I don't think Daddy's ready yet. Guys, I still don't have makeup on. Look at my face, because I'm still feeling so dry. My skin is still peeling, guys, from the fairy skin that I used, as you can see. So it's still rough, so I don't really want to wear makeup while it's still happening. I haven't been wearing makeup for how long now? Maybe like more than a week, I'd say. It feels good because I don't need to wake up early and like put makeup on and that when I go to work. And it feels fresh as well for my skin. So I'm just waiting for that. And also maybe we can go there, put some lipstick on. I don't know if you can see. No, it's against the light. So we'll go across. We'll go to Mecca Maxima. Yeah. So we'll go and maybe put some lipstick on to add some color to our face because it looks so dry. And oh guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit for today. I wear the blazer that I bought the other week for the first time, so I'm gonna show it to you. Here it is. It's outfit for the day. So it looks really good, guys. I'm so happy that I purchased this one. It's a bit long on my arm, as you can see, but it's alright. I can live with it. So let's try to go in and put some lipstick on. Guys, like seriously, you just put some blush on without foundation. So stupid. But who cares, right? Oh look! So now you have a bit of color. Okay, toughness. So that is where we're going, guys. So hi guys, here we are now with my date for the night. She doesn't want to have a look at you guys. So we're just ordering. There's lots of people here.
What do you want to get a hot pot and share?
No, I know what I want already, Daddy.
Hot pot's like a soup too. There's a big pot.
This is what I want.
Which one?
The beef rib soup. And it's $13. Yay! That's all I want, really. That's what I have been craving for the last week. What are you getting, Daddy?
Well, I was going to say, if you want to get same, but it's just hot pot.
Ooh, this is interesting. Sliced ox tongue. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just gonna get that beef rib soup and maybe you'll get some work. And I am sweet. So here's our drink now, guys. I just ordered a Coke, and Dada ordered a, how do you say it, Daddy? Rosé? Rosé. I don't know anything about drinks, guys, because I never drink. I don't drink. I'm not a drinker. I'm a Coke drinker though. Not a lot, every now and then. Can't wait for the food. See guys, you can order barbecue and they can cook it in front of you. So cool. But we're not doing that one, guys, because we're just here for the soup. So yes, just waiting for it. So fried calamari ring is here. Yum. Have a look at that's very green. Maybe this is tartar sauce. So give it a go. Oh my god, it's so very hot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that. Still boiling. And of course, hindi mawala ding ding. Oh my god, have a look at Daddy's. What's that, Daddy? Spicy beef soup?
Beef.
Yeah. Wow, still very hot, guys. And also we have these, and I don't know what they are, but
Kimchi.
I know that one is kimchi. But these two,
They're all kimchi.
are they? Alright, there you go. I learned something today. All kimchi, so they come free, guys. So this is all we ordered. Gonna eat now. Probably we have to wait until this get cold a little bit because we don't want to burn our tongue, do we? Wow. Ooh, yeah. So I'll tell you one fun fact, guys. Daddy uses the chopstick and I use the spoon. Ooh. Okay guys, so it seems like he's the Asian and I'm the Aussie. I don't know how to use the freaking chopstick, guys. I've got no idea how to use them. I know how to use them on my hair. So you know when you use it on your hair? Yeah, I'm good at that. But in eating, no way. But I'm happy with my spoon. So this is how I do it, guys. This is how I roll soup and the rice. Just like when my mama cooks it in the Philippines. Let's eat.
So going sideways. Going horizontal. Going horizontal. You're going like this. You're like digging it in. And
Sama this way? Ano dahil? Yeah, winning. Uy! Inaon na lang guys, oh. Inaon na lang guys. Ano ba? Sandali.
You can get a receipt. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So it's $56. So we just finished our dinner, guys, and that was good. How are you going to rate it, Daddy?
Huh?
How are you going to rate it?
Any night of use a 10 out of 10.
Push. Huh?
Any night of use a 10 out of 10.
Showbiz lagi kayo. You know what he said, guys? Any night with you is 10 out of 10. Charot ay? Mamangura naging si Paris. It has been raining. See, the roads are wet.
It's not the only thing that's right.
So we're just gonna walk back to the car now because I can feel that Paris is now calling for her milk. I can feel it on my chest. Oh, it's freezing. Daddy, are we gonna stop at Michael Kors? Oh, guys, no. Haba or ton?
I don't know.
Guys, wala man tayo. Guys, eh? No man din. It's a no for me. So we're in Emporium, guys. We're just gonna walk back to the car and, well, first, wait for the parking. And yeah, we're gonna go home. So that's about it for today's vlog. Thank you for tonight, Daddy.
You're welcome.
And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.